Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a product descriptions for your Etsy or Shopify with Copy AI. Let's get started. First, all you need to do is to search for Copy AI in your browser and log into your account. Then here in the dashboard, click plus create new. Then choose workflow, chat or folder. Then select chat for the faster result. Then in the prompt box, type exactly what you need, like this example prompt here. You need to be specific, like write a short, engaging Etsy product description for a handmade soy candle with lavender scent. Highlight its eco-friendly packaging and calming benefits. And Copy AI will instantly generate a polished product description. Then here you can now review, tweak, or copy it directly into your Etsy or Shopify listing. And there you have it, a professional, high converting product description ready to boost your sales in minutes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.